You are going to love the 2024 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, trailering package, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.